No! No! Fish on, fish on! Fish on, Rasta, fish on! We got a little rain this morning. It's not the greatest weather this morning, me and Rasta out. Yeah. And we're getting wet. Yeah. And the car is all the way back there. So, we're gonna hit this little gazebo up here and try to hold shelter under that until that rain passes for a little bit. I don't know how good the shelter is gonna be, because it looked like half the roof is going to hell right now, Russ. And here comes the damn rain, and there goes the water out there on the sea. So the aim was to go fishing, but right now, Russ, we ain't got no roof. It's gonna get wet. Yeah, that rain, I can see it on the ocean out there coming in, and the water don't look good at all for us to fish. Damn it! These are the things that happen sometimes, guys. We can't fish in this. Makes sense we turn back, right? Make no sense we chill and get wet, because this water do not look good. Alright, let's head back to better waters, and we're going to see what we can pick up down the line. But the sun's coming out. It's early, 6:30 in the morning. But the wind, this is the first I've seen the wind up this high this morning. So, let's get out of here. We're not even going to chance it. We're going to walk back. We just wanted to come and look and see for ourselves what the weather looked like down here. And yeah, these are the mishaps that happen sometimes when we go fishing. It's not all the time that we go out and we hit a spot and we start picking up fish. Sometimes we have to hit multiple spots. Let me get this camera cleaned off for you guys. There you go. Yeah, sometimes we gotta hit multiple spots, guys, and explore and do things like this. And the wind is kicking up here. It's no good for me. There's lots of wave. It's rough. The watercolor is dirty. It's not gonna work out for us. We're not gonna pick anything up. So from doing this for so long, you tend to get to know it, and you know it good. So just by looking at the water, knowing the temperature of the air around you, the sun, overcast and stuff like that, these are symptoms that tattletales and tells you where and when to go fishing. So you do your homework, you'll find out, right? So stay tuned, guys. We'll hit another spot up down the line. We came up this far. I don't know how far we're gonna go, but let's see what's up. I haven't been back here in these mangroves in a long time. Last time I hooked the tarpon back here and it got away from me. But let's see if we can pick something up. Mano, jag kan sjunga sen.
Ja, men det kan vara lite mer görs.
Kom. Test med det, test man. My divers was just out here. Yeah, when you see this fire, divers was out here. Shoes, all that stuff. Somebody just had a fire lit. I don't know. Water don't look too bad down here compared to up top. But a lot of grass though here this side, I'm sure of that. Yeah, lots of grass. Rasta. Come in. Soldier crab. You gotta be willing to get wet, bro. So you got them rocks we are aiming for. So you gotta watch your step in here. Yep. But just know that these rocks are unforgiving. Yeah, I watch my step when I'm stepping, bro. I just don't step because there's deep spots, and then you go step in a deep spot. They're slippery now, so careful. On the rocks, guys. Yeah. Out there, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Nothing. Alright, come in. Roll out. No waste of time. If you can avoid it, avoid it. A bit, and I'm having my coffee, but we're gonna get that old ship that sunk out there. You're gonna get a few casts, but you got watch that rope and then work it back from there back in. You might get lucky because this is a harbor, you know what I'm saying? Might find a one barrel in here or so. Water's a bad color, but you have your camera on, Rasta? Alright. I'm gonna try a cast next to that boat. There's a shaded spot. Cause fish like to hide on the boats, you know. See all the bamboos out there? Yeah. Alright, roll out. Walk the stretch and cast, Rasta. Walk and cast. Cool, man. They're about the same way, man. You good? You get any? Alright, cool, man. So Wagwan? Snook them?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Yeah, the snooks are out, guys. I wonder if I could hook a snook on a spoon lure. I wonder if I could hook a snook on a spoon lure today. And it's a and it's a possibility, and you know why? Because it looks just like a sprat. Alright. Yeah. Big snook in the water, running around. Yeah. But careful, there's a lot of debris. Don't drop, sink. You know what I'm saying? Rasta, don't go in this water. You hear me? Don't let it touch you. Come on, man. Yes. Yeah, this water is not the greatest. You see how green it is? Alright. Ooh, I see you chasing. I seen that. I seen that. I seen that shit. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. I see you. I see you. Alright, I'm gonna drop it right there. Oh, there. Right there. Ew. Yeah?
Shakespeare.
Yeah. Micro series.
Yeah.
7-footer. That one. Last time I'll give him something sweet right now. I just gotta be careful I don't get hitched or I'm gonna lose this lure. Fast sinking. The Azuri Crystal Minnow. You seen that? Watch your casting. Here. You set that ready? Watch him lying here. Switch up, Ross. You hear me? Spoon lure is not giving you results. Switch. £20-odd fish out there, so man. Skilly catch 160, I think about 40 or 60 pounds to blood how big. One snook. Look like a grandpa snook to rotted. Yeah? Yeah.
First cast, you grab it.
I don't like casting this, you know.
Yeah, man, I'll be here something in there, man. But I in there, two them there doing it. No, man, I want to. First cast, you do my own.
I hate casting in there, but I don't like casting over there. I gotta look at the water first and see the depth, because the river came down. Definitely don't want to get hitched up in there. See? Lose my lure now. Yeah. Now do it again. Yo! Me not run no joke with that one, ya. I don't think I want to try that again, guys. Hitched up. Almost lost a good lure. That was crazy. I got it, boy. Yeah, I cast. There's a piece of bamboo that I hooked on right there. You can't let it sink. You gotta keep it right on top. Yeah, you get them, but you see snooks are funny. They're early morning.
Yeah.
You know how go get a daytime bite like that. There's a piece of bamboo that's sticking up, so you gotta keep that lure.
Alright, running the rock left one. Right, running this one.
See a piece of bamboo right there, no man. You know, deep enough, but I don't want to go in this water. This water is disgusting, bro. You smell that comes out this water? There's this place up there that have this gutter in this place, man. And that's sad. You see if they dredge and clean up this river fucking fishing spot, you know? Let the river run, bro. But they're not letting the river run fast enough. And they're not cleaning it. And people are dump garbage in it, bro. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You're gonna look. Stay on top. Don't let it sink. Just run it. They'll see the glitter and come for it. Cause snook normally, you can cast, man, but stay on top. Snook normally hit from bottom up.
Yeah.
Man, one spoon lure here, look here.
Oh, the twist.
Terrible friggin' lure. Terrible lure. God damn it! No! No! Hey bird, come here. I'm gonna. All right, good. Thank you, Lord. Bent up my damn wire lead though.
Yeah.
Yo, part of you know how much of them I've caught already?
Yeah.
Enough of them, man. You didn't see that, right?
Yeah, me saw it.
Rasta's like, oh shit. Yeah, yo. And them bird they cross. You see me have to pull him in right there, so a tree I will have to deal with him. Trouble. Yeah, bro. Try to straighten my wire lead back out. Eh? Last week we catch one 5 pound barra. Yeah. Every week I get something, minimal 3 to 2 pounds. But I know all the time, bro. You know what I'm saying? Switch up. We'll go into the box now. Maybe go top water. Pull this one off. Switching up. What you call a top water, bro. Hey Meta, read messages. Huh? Work, I work that be a time and see if them blood lead. I'll go feed the switch up the color upon them, you know. So a lot of people don't understand that it's not about just coming out and casting out. It's about being strategic at what you do. You understand? Yo, you see if we can cry, have some walk, yeah, so you pick up barra till you're weak. Me know, man. Even that one, they didn't like it. Oh, where Rasta gone? Ah, that's Rasta gone. What you doing so? Rasta send my cast out, so man. I don't want to cast you again because I know the bamboo there. Afraid of that, your fault. I don't like casting in this river, guys. It's just polluted. They pollute it. Nothing, bro. Not a dang thing. And up here so is where you would hit the most. The hour's late still, you know. The hour's late. We're here late. Not really good timing. Not very good timing for this fishing right now. What happened is because of the fact that I'm out washing my car. I was out washing my car at the car wash. You ever heard the saying, elephant like peanuts? Huh? Alright, elephant likes peanuts. That's right. Go miniature lures. If the quarter ounce is too big, go look. Go smaller. I'm the best student that you know. Fish on, fish on, fish on, Rasta, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Nice snook, boy.
Get him, bro.
Nice snook, boy.
Nice snook.
Nice snook.
Hold on, don't put too much pressure on him. Watch the wood.
Yeah,
watch.
Take off
Come,
the
come,
bottom.
come.
Take off this one. Yeah.
Go ahead, bro. Walk with, pull him up. Come on, bro. Come on.
Gotta get him, man.
Come on. Put pressure. Fish on. Bring him around to you. Bring him to you. Don't put too much pressure. I'm busting him off now. Big snook. Good snook. Whoop. Don't let him go in the bamboos. Come to him. Bring him up. Come to him now, man. And just bring pressure. Don't let him go under that side, you know. Bring him up.
Yeah.
Let him come to you. Work him. Bring up his head, bro. Look at him, guys. Up to you. Big snook. Bring him up, bro. Bring him up. Hold it. Let me help you. Big snook. Good snook. Oh,
Good snook. That is it.
Scored.
That is it. Yeah, man.
Look at that.
Good snook. You're here, man.
Yeah, guys. So this is it, guys.
Nice snook.
Yeah, man. We was out here all morning casting, and this is the outcome of it. Yeah, man.
Lovely.
Ready to score, guys.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Tell me what way to feel. Tell me what way to feel to this.
No, man, we are weighing right now.
Oh, you have scale.
We are weighing right now.
Right now. Jaja. That is it, man. Nice snook, man.
Look, money. Open eye angle. How much is it?
Oh, 4
kg?
Yeah.
How much? Yeah?
Now we pound on it.
3 pound here, someone, right there, sir.
Is it 4 pounds?
Kg over there, sir, 4 over there. Sir.
Oh, yeah. Call it 4.5.
4.5 pounds, guys.
Yeah, 4.5.
4.5 pounds. Look at that. Big snook.
Nice.
Big snook, man.
Invest in one of these here.
Yeah.
Flip grip tool.
Yeah,
with the scale. Yeah.
Have a scale.
Yeah.
Nice run.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man.
Live bait. That's live bait fishing. He's using live bait, guys. Yo, you guys seen an awesome fight? Me and Rasta out here, so we're actually getting the car wash and fishing at the same time. And Pari hit it. He hit it today, guys. That's what's up. That's what it's all about. Being outside and catching this kind of action and fishing. Jamaican shore fishing. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad. I think your alarm fell someplace. As I spoke about it, his alarm fell off, and that's something you gotta be careful too.
Yeah.
And take it off. Try to take it off as quick as possible, bro. That boy hit that line, boy. I knew he was out there because I've been casting at him for a while.
Live bait.
Live bait, man.
Big boy snook, guys. Woo-hoo. Look at that, guys. That's how you see that size of that monster? That's what I'm talking about. Eh? Alright, that's not take you up. Damn. Yeah man, big snook, guys. Yeah guys, we're just sitting here talking about elephant-like peanuts and we're switching off the lures and the big boy's still flapping around. Yeah man, nice fish man, nice fish. Line slacked up on this one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Nice snook, guys. That was a nice bit of action, guys. Only with Jamaican shore fishing you catch this kind of action. We got it all on video, bro. I'll send you your clip. I'll send you your clip. Make sure you get my number and stuff before I leave. Oh, fish on.
Got him.
Fish on.
Fish on.